do now is make orthographic drawings through Inventor. First thing you're going to do is you go to New. You're going to open up a new. We've done an assembly. We've done a presentation and a part. What we have not done yet is drawings. You're going to open up a drawing. Now, at this point, this piece of paper, this drawing piece of paper, is too large. We want it to be an 8.5 by 11, which is an A4 size. So what you do is you go over to where it says sheet number 1. That's the sheet. You click on it. You right click where it says edit sheet. So the sheet is actually an A size sheet. And you do want it to be landscape because you want it to be long and thin. So A, landscape. Okay. Now see the title block is way too large. You're going to click over here. This is actually the title block over here. Right click it and delete it. Now you have a nice clean, this is 8.5 by 11. We want to set this up to millimeters. So you're going to go over to tools. Yours is going to look a little bit different, but under tools, you're going to find, scroll along till it says document settings. And you want to make sure that that is in millimeters. So ANSIMM. That's going to be your default. So when you put any kind of dimensions on, it's going to go to millimeters. Make sure that's on. You're going to press apply, close. Now you're going to put your chess piece on here. The way that you do that is you go over here to place views. I'm going to put it on my base view right here. And that's it. This scale should be 1:1. Just show you if this was 2:1, it'd be twice as big, right? And if we wanted it 1/2, it'd be half size. So it should fit 1:1. You're going to put that over. Probably the bottom left's a good place to put that. I'm going to put OK. Now I'm going to make some projected geometry. I'm going to press projected. And I'm going to click on here because I'm going to do the different views of this object. I'm going to project the different views. I'm going to click on here and pull it up. That's the top view. I'm going over here and place it where I want. That's the isometric, which is the 3D view. And that's all I need for this because the side view and the front view is the same. So I'm going to right click, create. And now I have all of those views. Now see how this view is kind of with lines on it? If I wanted to change that, I go to the corner. When it starts looking like a move, I've actually chosen it. So I right click over here to edit view. And yours is going to look a little bit different, but somewhere on the styles, there's hidden line. Right now it's on hidden lines removed. And this is going to make it actually shaded. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to press OK. It's just nice to have that one, this view shaded. That's going to go here. And the last thing I need to do on this is put some dimensions on and put on my name and the name of the part. So to do that, I go over to annotate, put my name on first. I'm going to click on the text tool. There's a nice opening right there. Let's just say this was the bishop. It's the queen. This is the queen. I'm going to go Ms. Edson. And let's just make this the 3.17 millimeter size. And press OK. That's a little small. That's good enough. Okay, so there you go. Press escape. Click on this. Actually, make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to make this, so I have enough room. I'm going to make this the big 6 millimeters. Okay, that looks good. And I can move that around if I want, put it over there. All good. All right, now for the dimensions, I'm just going to show the overall dimensions, the overall height, and the overall width. So I go over here to dimensions. I want to know dimension from here to here, because that's my overall width. Right there, it's 46. And I want, excellent. So then I want to put on the dimension from here, the bottom. Oops. I'm going to do it from, let's see, from about here. Dimension from that point to that point. There we go. Okay, and that's pretty much all I need to know is the general overall height, the overall width. And now my sheet is ready to go. So I'm just going to make sure that I save that sheet and then print it out. Right, I can put that under engineering and save. Okay, good luck.